Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel Cherish Coco. Today's video is just about changing my channel banner, and I decided to show you how the channel banner is being edited and how it's being fixed, how it appears on YouTube and how it appears on phone, on a mobile. Okay, so let's get right to it. All right, so I'm done designing the banner. Okay, and this was what I was using before to change the channel banner. And how do I do that? All I have to do is just to click on the channel banner that I have before on YouTube. As soon as you click on it, it will take you to your YouTube Studio Direct. So let's go ahead and change. See, it's just the actual size that YouTube was expecting us to put. Okay, so and this is how it's going to appear on a desktop. Now I'm done with it. I'm going to go ahead and click on publish, and let's check it out from our channel. So for you to check it out, you need to go to view channel. This is how it's going to appear on a desktop. You know, not everyone watch YouTube on a desktop. Okay, many people prefer watching it on a mobile, so that's why we made it mobile friendly. Okay, so let's check it out on a mobile phone. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and type my channel name, Cherish. This is how it's going to appear on mobile app. So let me know if you're interested in designing a channel banner for Facebook or for YouTube, for TikTok or whatever, or for your Twitter, any of your social media, for Instagram. Let me know. You can send me a DM or send me a WhatsApp message. All right, guys. So this is all I have for you today. See you soon on my next video. Bye bye.